It is officially move-in day. I am like not processing it at all. I've been looking forward to this for months, and now that it's actually here, I don't even know how to feel. Like, I'm definitely excited, but it's so bittersweet. It's just crazy. This is a very big life change for me, but I am ready for it. I'm excited. My room is almost all packed up. I just got ready in here for the last time. I have to put my bedding in a bag and then tape up some of these boxes. It is currently 8:31. The movers are gonna be here at 10. My parents are gonna be here around 9:30. So before everyone gets here, let's finish up, get this place all packed up and emptied out. And yeah, this is crazy. So this is where the day kind of starts to get busy and just goes by really fast. The movers actually got there early, which was great. We were probably done in like an hour, hour and a half. I used roadway moving and they did such a good job. Here's a little walkthrough of my apartment after they emptied all of my stuff out. It was so crazy seeing it like this, especially my bedroom. It was totally empty except for that plant, which I was leaving for Rachel. And yeah, so then it was time to head to my new place. This is really cute.
Oh, wow, look at that.
This is very different than I was expecting.
Oh wow, this is neat.
Oh, this is better than I was expecting.
Oh, that's a lot of storage.
Oh my god, that's huge.
Yeah, this bedroom is huge.
That's huge.
This is big. This is big. This is huge. Look at all that storage.
That is way bigger than
Great.
Okay, so it was way too hectic to do a proper empty apartment tour, so I got this 0.5 on my phone. I don't know why it looks so low quality, but basically you have the kitchen, the living room, and then you walk into the back part of the apartment where there's the vanity, the bathroom, a bunch of storage, and then we have my bedroom. Also, my closet is huge, which I was not expecting at all. This was my first time seeing my apartment in real life. I got some pictures of it a while ago that were very low quality, and it just didn't really give me a good idea of what the place actually looked like and like what the layout was and stuff, so I kind of didn't know what to expect. I was kind of taking a risk with this apartment, I feel like, because it had so much potential to be cute from the pictures, but the pictures were just bad. Anyways, here's the apartment. I love it so much. And then here are the movers moving everything in. The living room is full of boxes. Here is the vanity in the bathroom, and here is my bedroom. There's so much natural light in here, which I was not expecting at all. I honestly thought this place was gonna be really tiny and really dark. It's literally 10 times, oh my god, this lighting. Guys, look at the ceilings. Are they not so beautiful? This apartment exceeded my expectations times 1,000. I could not be happier. I was low-key so stressed about that. But anyways, here's the setup we have for right now. Dressers over here, vanities over here. We have this cute little like cutout. I thought this would be a super cozy place to put the bed. Here's all the clothes that the movers put up for us. Also, this closet is ginormous. It looked so much smaller in the pictures, but it is huge. This is the first time I'm talking to you guys in my new apartment, and it's so crazy. I cannot believe how good the lighting is. This is insane. I also have so much storage, which is crazy. All of this for my bathroom stuff, but then all of these cabinets right here, oh my god. If you guys remember, there was like no storage at my old apartment. No broom closet, no cabinets like this, literally nothing. We just had our closets basically, and so we had to kind of like get creative with what we were doing. But I have so much space now. I can't even believe it. Like, I actually am so happy. This vlog is gonna be like the first few days of the move-in. I remember asking you guys a while back whether you wanted structured videos or just kind of more like random vlogs of the move-in content. And a lot of you guys said structured, but a lot also said a mix of both. So that's kind of more what I'm gonna try to do right now. This video is just gonna be a very casual vlog because there's a lot going on. It doesn't really make sense to do a structured one right now. So in the next few days, as things get set up more, then I'll kind of start dividing up the videos by like room and everything. But for right now, this is just gonna be a chaotic move-in vlog. So basically the plan is to go get the Wi-Fi router picked up, or the modem, I'm not really sure. We're gonna do a Target trip, we're gonna do a Costco trip. I don't know if that's all gonna happen today because it's already kind of getting later in the day, so we'll see what happens. right, it's day 2 of moving. The first thing we did was go get the TV, and then we went to Home Goods, which I didn't show, but here I am putting some stuff away. And then we decided to stop by the campus because I wanted my parents to see it. And we went to the campus store, which was really fun. I got this little surfboard cutting board that I really wanted. And then we came back home and set up the TV. I got this TV because it's the one my parents have, and I just knew I'd like it. And then we went to Target again, and my mom actually found this rug, which was literally exactly what I was looking for, the size and everything. So that was perfect. I was super excited about that. And then we ended the night by going to the beach. Hello everyone. It is currently 9:53 a.m. It's now my 3rd day being here and my first time being able to talk to you guys just one-on-one. I am now all on my own. My parents left this morning. It's a weird feeling being all by myself. Definitely something to get used to, but I thought I would give you guys an apartment tour. I was not really able to give like a proper empty apartment tour, but I did get some clips of the place that you guys saw earlier in this video. But now let's do an apartment tour / unpacking update. Okay, so I'm at the front door and this is my view right now. We have the living room and then my desk over here. Let's just start right here. We have my kitchen table by the window. This chair is not going to be here. This is my desk chair, but everything's kind of out of place right now. And this is the kitchen. I am just so amazed by it. It is so gorgeous. Here's the fridge and then lots of counter space. And I absolutely love that I have like this little island type thing. This isn't technically an island, I don't think. I don't know what to call this. Bar, I guess. I don't really know because I'm gonna put some bar stools right here. But yeah, here's what it's looking like so far. I'm just so obsessed with it. I think it's so cute. I got this cutting board at the UCSB bookstore yesterday and I'm obsessed with it. We also did a Home Goods trip and I got a little banana hanger stand thingy. It was literally like $5 and I think it's so cute. And I love just having fruit displayed because it just adds like a pop of color. We have this little area over here. This is where my ice maker is gonna go. I'm so excited for that. Also, I have a dishwasher. I am actually so excited to have a dishwasher and not have to hand wash dishes anymore, even though it wasn't that bad, but still super nice to have. This is all gonna get cleaned up, obviously. Just thought I'd say that. And then we have the living room right here. It's gonna be kind of hard to picture right now, but basically I have an entertainment center on the way. It might not be here for a bit though. The couch is also on the way, but that's gonna kind of take a little bit longer to come in. It's gonna go right here facing this way, but this just all needs to be put away. This is where my parents slept, but we are doing air mattress couch part 2. If you were here for when I moved into my first apartment, we used an air mattress as the couch for a long time. Over here we have my desk. We have this shoe rack here along with all my other shoes that are just messily laying around. We'll fix that. My mirror from my bedroom that can now go in the living room because I have big mirrors in the bedroom, which you guys will see right now. We have this little shelf right here for now. Don't know if it's gonna stay there. Nothing is like permanent right now, so whatever you see might not be in the same place as it is when it's done. So then you come in here and there is so much storage. And then we have this little vanity area. I am just so excited about this. Here, let me turn the light on. This is just so cute. I love the counters so much and look at all this storage. I literally can't get over it because there was no storage at my old place. And now not only is there like so much storage, but all of it is mine because at my old place, obviously Rachel and I split all the like storage, but we honestly made it work. Like it wasn't that bad, but now it's just super nice to be able to have this. I'm very grateful for storage. I will never take it for granted ever again. And then here is the bathroom. I really do like that the toilet and the shower are like separate from the sink. So someone can be doing something right here while someone else is like taking a shower or something like that. I live alone, so it's not like that's gonna happen very often, but still it's nice to just be able to like brush your teeth while someone's taking a shower or something. And then I'll show you guys the shower. It is super nice. It's like marble. And then I'm gonna put some like suction cup baskets right here for all of my shower stuff. We got this bath mat the other day. I don't know why it looks so dirty on camera because it's literally not. This little trash can from Home Goods. I'm planning on putting a little basket on top of the toilet with like an extra toilet paper, toilet spray, maybe a cute little lamp because honestly this light is pretty ugly, and so at night it would be nice to like have a little lamp to have a nice little relaxing shower instead of just like this light because that's just not super cozy. So we'll see, we'll make it look cute. And then here's the bedroom. It is so much bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So this little like cutout area is where I thought it would be nice to have my bed. And then we have my dresser. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep that dresser or not. I haven't decided. Then we have my vanity over here, and then then the closet, which you guys kind of saw, there's so many shelves. The bar for the clothes is so long, so I can just like fit so many things. And then we have the closet mirrors. I think that this makes the room look so much bigger, and I'm so happy that I have these. I just think it opens up the room so much more, even though it's already a big room as it is. I know some people don't like the look of these, but I personally really do. It's also just super functional. Like, I don't need to put a mirror in here because I already have them. Also, I think it would be wrong if we didn't take a moment to talk about the ceilings. They are just so gorgeous. It adds so much character to the apartment. I just think it makes the space feel almost like a cabin or something. I don't know, it just makes it feel so cozy. And I was worried that it would be like too much. It would make the space feel like dark and stuff, but it just doesn't. I love that like the beams are white too, so you do still have that like brightness up here. And I can get white furniture without it looking super bland. I don't want everything to like be white, obviously, so just the fact that the ceilings have this like character and like warmth to them just makes the space automatically look 10 times better. Like, I don't even have to do anything. It's just beautiful. So yeah, that is the apartment. I am like so self-conscious that my neighbors can hear me right now, so that's why I'm talking a little bit quiet, but I am just so excited to vlog more in this apartment. Like, this is gonna be one of my new setups, I'm sure, where I'm gonna put my camera, maybe like over here too. I'm just gonna try out a bunch of spots. Definitely like this too. Oh my gosh, I just love it so much. Oh, also, I'm gonna get a keyboard, like a keyboard piano. I'm so excited. I feel like I've definitely talked about that on my channel before, but I just forget what I've said and what I haven't. I'm not totally sure where it's gonna go yet. I know definitely in the living room, but I'm not sure about like the placement. So my plan for today is to kind of get some of the like boring paperwork type stuff done. So I probably won't vlog that. I have to cash a couple checks. I have to submit something for school. I have to send in a list of all the things that were like wrong with the apartment, do some stuff for YouTube. Yeah, just all that kind of stuff. So I'll try to get that done. And then I do want to go to Target again to get some more stuff. And I do also want to clear out the big pile of stuff in the living room and just organize that. I want to get as much organized as I possibly can so that we can just like get things off the floor and start cleaning, because we haven't cleaned the living room floors yet. All of like the bathroom and bedroom floors are clean, but the living room has just been too cluttered for that. So I really want to get these floors cleaned because they are gross. So that's kind of the plan for today. We might go to Target. Also, you guys will probably be seeing a lot more of Brayden on my channel, or maybe just like hearing about him. I don't know how much he'll want to be on camera. Brayden is like the reason that I got introduced to UCSB, and now we live in the same place, which is so amazing. We lived like an hour and a half apart for a couple years. We went to high school together, and our houses in our hometown are really close together, and so we were always just used to like being able to just hang out whenever we wanted. And then that just went away when we both went to college, but now I'm here, and so it's so great. So you'll probably just like hear me talking about him more. Just wanted to explain that so nobody's like confused. But anyways, I'm gonna work on some of that like boring paperwork type stuff, and then I will update you guys later. Okay, Brayden and I just went and did a bunch of errands. We both needed groceries, and we decided we're gonna cook tonight. We're gonna make pasta and do a little like Caesar salad and garlic bread. So we got stuff for that. Just did some random like necessities at Target. We had so much stuff, and we just dropped all of his stuff off at his apartment, and now we're gonna put stuff away at mine and then start cooking and stuff. So it's officially the first time that I'm gonna be like actually cooking in this apartment, and I'm really excited. So it is the next morning. I totally was not expecting to not really film yesterday. I definitely did get some clips, but not like talking to you guys, updating you guys, stuff like that. It ended up being such a busy day, and I just wasn't expecting it. But a lot of stuff did get done. Brayden and I made dinner, ran a bunch of errands. We got so many groceries, and we watched the first episode of The Bachelorette. The new season just came out. But anyways, this is officially my first time filming at my new vanity setup. I'm really liking the lighting because I'm able to like sit by a window. At my old place, I was backlit since there were the windows behind me, and I feel like it kind of looked weird at times, but this is my new setup. Also, I'm saying this for probably the 10th time in this video, but things are gonna change. Like, I don't think I'm gonna keep this dresser actually. Today, I think I'm gonna start working on the structured videos. So I'm planning on doing a video for each room. I'll do a bedroom makeover, kitchen makeover, bathroom makeover, and living room makeover. Also, last night was my first night alone since my parents left. I was definitely a little bit on edge, but like it was fine. I've also like stayed alone in my apartment before, so wait, I mean my old apartment. It still hasn't processed for me that like I live here. My brain is just like, oh my god, so many good things are happening, like this can't be real. So you're just not gonna process it and allow yourself to be happy. That's not even true. It's just very hard to believe that this thing that I've been wanting for the past 2 years is here. It's not just like coming true, like it now is true. Like I live here, all my stuff is here, like I have this amazing apartment that I'm so grateful for. I truly think I lucked out so much with this place because the pictures on the listing were cute, but they were not this good. Like they did not do this place justice at all. It looks very, very different than the actual listing. So I'm just super, super grateful that things worked out the way that they did. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start on my bedroom today, or the bedroom video, I guess, or maybe the bathroom. I haven't decided yet. So I have a ton of packages coming today. I did some pretty big Amazon orders just because it can be easier than like going to the store a million times and like looking for a bunch of stuff. I also did have an Amazon gift card, so you guys will see all the stuff that I get in my next videos. I think I am just gonna film like a little haul for TikTok or something. I'm just so excited to like share the decorating process with you guys because a lot of you have just been here for so long. A bunch of you guys probably watched me in the dorms, which is super crazy to me. So a lot of you guys have seen like the entire college journey that I've been on, and I do want to say thank you to those of you who have just been here for so long supporting me. It really does mean the world to me, and none of this would even be possible without you guys. YouTube has given me the freedom of having a really flexible job, so I can kind of move around, I can live on my own, I can decorate my place and share it with you guys, and I just don't even know how this is real. But yeah, so thank you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end the moving in vlog here. Get ready for all the decorating vlogs. Thank you guys so much for watching this move-in vlog. Let me know if you guys have any requests for videos you want to see in this new apartment, any summer related videos. Just comment down below and comment the box emoji if you stayed up until this point. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon with another video. Bye.